Another exercise that you're going to do all day long to help retrain proper arches in your feet, because most people either walk on the outside of the feet, inside of the feet, or flat feet, and none of those options are ideal. So what you're going to do is, again, you're going to have pressure on the outside of the foot, big toe still down through everything, and then if you're standing, again, just a subtle bend to the knee, and then imagine pulling the ground or ripping the paper apart from each other. It doesn't have to be insanely hard, just a tiny bit. And then if you're thinking about doing lunges, squats, everything, well, actually everything you do, I want you to stand like this.
Yeah.
And if there's another reason that I don't want you to stand like that, we will tell you, but otherwise follow this. And the reason why, when you walk properly, lunge properly, squat properly, everything else lines up. So if I was to exaggerate how we want to see you walk, is you would be striking and landing with the heel. You'd be kind of almost rotating out here and then pushing off with the big toe. So the big toe is a lacking piece that most people don't have. They're just kind of like this. And there was no push off with the big toe. So if you do that, you'll again help fire up this. If that's fired up, this will fire up. So now you've got your core strength, booty strength, and you're fixing your feet. The rest will become very easy after that.